Hello everyone, this is Ellie from Nonstop Locksmith Security. We're installing cameras over here in one of the factories in Indiana. We're installing 22 cameras, access control system for 7 doors. And we're done with running the cables, as you see. And we're now going into installing the cameras. Wearing harness, of course. This is by OSHA. And there's the camera installation. We mark the number of the camera and we're gonna connect it and mark it on the plan.
Panoramic view of the facility right now. You can see how big it is, and we have about hundreds of feet of cable.
Hi guys, Ian from Nonstop over here again. We're about to put all the safety harness so we want to go up a lift to run cables for access control and camera work.
Alright. We are doing installation over here in a car seat factory. Me and Gerardo. Hello. We're doing installation of 22 cameras. We are running cables from the pins all the way down to every single camera. As you notice over there, we're installing hooks along the pins. And cameras are installed right there with hooks. As you see, each one of them involves a hook, another hook, and going down all the way to the next camera. Also, access control system for every single entrance in the building. We have 7 of them, and they're all going to the cabinets over there. That's it.
Next step is plugging in all the cameras.
So adjusting, we're gonna actually doing locally over here with the monitor, as you see.